brittle and breaks off, the best idea is to pull it out, but sometimes you can get some filament wedged into the extruder. And so a quick fix that I found was you remove these two hex screws here and this one here. This will remove the top case. And then what you want to do is remove this motor. And this motor is actually quite easy to remove. All you need to do is I have a hex screwdriver, and there's two screws. Just down this hole right here. So down that hole, you'll undo that screw there, and right down here, there's the other one down that hole as well. And it's about a hex screw this long, and it goes into the motor. So when you remove that, you'll find that this motor assembly can come off. And then you can fix it, because you can actually see then where there is actually some filament clogged in that head. And then what you want to do is get a tweezer or something to break off that head. So I'm just going to try it right here, because what's happening is as the other filament is being pushed down in here, it's getting wedged in there. And so you're not going to be able to put the new filament in. Be able to pull it out. So I pulled it out there, and that's the key there. If it doesn't pull out, you can just break it off so it's flush. And so then when we're putting in our new filament, it will line up with that hole to get it in there, and that will fix it. So it's quite easy. You just have to remove this motor, this servo motor here, and then we have to reassemble it. So let's reassemble it here, just put it here, and then we just have to put those two hex screws. So let's do that now. And I'm just going to screw that in, that we need to insert it. Just gonna slowly, okay. I got it in there, and then we just clockwise to. So now this motor's on nice and snug, and then before we put on this whole assembly, let's put some filament in just to make sure that everything's going good. So what I'm going to do is click on filament, and we'll click on load, just so that it gets up to temperature, so that we can actually verify that we can now get it properly aligned. Plastic part on. So the general idea is, if you have some filament that's sticking out, don't try to keep on pushing it in. First, pull it out so that it doesn't break off down in there. And then you just hold down this small lever and feed it in, and we should see it come out. So the piece is coming out. There we go. That means that filament's coming out and it is printing A-OK. So if you get a jam, now you know what to do. Just take off this top bezel, and then there's two screws in here to disassemble the servo motor that feeds the filament inside, and then just break it off or pull it out with some tweezers. And that's how to fix a jam on your 3D printer here. So there we go.